Now going to explain the topic is stack. Stack is an ordered collection of homogeneous data elements where the insertion and deletion takes place one end, that is known as top. Stack is a LIFO technology, that is last in first out. Here denoting top, that is insertions also done by top as well as deletions also done by top. Next one is basic operations. Basic operations of stack is insertion, deletion and display. Insertion means adding items or element onto the stack. Deletion means to delete the item from the stack. And display means currently what are the elements available in the stack, that is display. Add or push or insertion. Okay, first operation is push, that is inserting, adding element into the stack. It places an object on top of the stack. Next one is pop. Pop means deleting or removing a element from the stack. Push means adding element onto the stack. Pop means to delete element from the stack. Next one is condition, that is empty. It reports whether the stack is empty or not. It returns boolean value, that is yes or no, true or false. If the stack is empty means true, otherwise false. Next one is full. It reports whether the stack exceeds limit or not. If the stack is empty or available means then only we can easily add element to the stack. If the stack is full means we can't add element onto the stack. That's why we are checking is empty and is full condition. Example is, this is the empty stack. Here I want to add one item, that is a item onto the stack, that is push of x comma a. S indicating stack, I am going to add a element onto the stack. Push of x comma a means here I am going to add the element a. Now the top pointing here. Whatever the elements in stack, that pointing the top position. Again the same process, I am going to add A, then I am adding to item B, then C. Now each and every time top is moving forward. Here top pointing A, after adding B pointing top, then adding C, top pointing the position C element. Now I am going to add one more element D, but in my stack available places only up to C. If I want to add D to the D into the stack means here no, there is no available space. So at that time that the process is called, that the position is called, that the situation is called stack overflow. Next one is pop operation. Pop means to deleting element. Okay. If you want to add one item to the stack means here indicating what item going to add. That's why you are representing S comma D. In pop, here no need to add arguments because the technology is LIFO. Whatever in last in, that's only going to the first. So pop operation here indicating no arguments. Whatever in top position pointing, that element only going to be delete. If pop of operations means C going to delete, then next one B will be deleted, then A. Likewise we are processing the pop operation. Here the stack is empty. It means there is no elements in this stack. At the time I am going to do or I perform pop operations means stack is underflow, because here there is no elements. Then how to possible delete operations? That is the called the stack underflow. Full stack is full. At the time I am going to add one more element to the stack means that is called stack overflow. At the same time stack is empty. If I want to perform pop operations means that is called stack underflow. This is overflow. This process is underflow. Next one is algorithm for adding an item, that is add item onto the stack or push operations. Okay, this is the algorithm, that is add of item comma stack comma n comma top. Here n pointing the maximum size, how many elements going to add to the particular stack, maximum size indicating n. Next, top pointing number of elements currently in stack. The condition is if top greater than or equal to n, then call stack full. Otherwise, top tends to top plus 1 to increase 1 positions to the top. Then stack of top is pointing item. Item going to add to the stack of top, then end add. This is the algorithm for add item onto the stack. We will see the example here. This is stack, empty stack. Always top in the beginning, initially top pointing -1, that is underflow. Stack underflow means top equals to -1. Okay. Then first condition is n, max size on the n equals to, here I am going to add elements, that is a, b, c, d and e. Okay. Here in my stack position is n value equals to 4. N equals to 4. And my condition is n equal to 4 greater than or equal to top now pointing -1. -1 greater than or equal to 4. To check the condition, whether it is condition is true or false. Here condition is false. -1 greater than or equal to 4. Condition is false. False. If the condition is true means it then called stack is full. The condition is false, so the cursor move to next, that is top tends to top plus 1. -1, top value is -1. -1 plus 1 equals to 0. So now top value is equals to 0. At the position of 0th position, going to add the item. Item is A. Item A is added to the stack of top. Stack of top value is what? Stack of 0. Stack of 0, I am going to add the item A. Next, again condition is process. Now top value is 0. 0 greater than or equal to 4. Again condition false. Then move to top plus 1. Now top value is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Now top value is 1. Stack of 1 equals to item B is going to add. Stack of 1. Stack of 1. Stack of 1 pointing because top is increased by 1. So value item B is add to the stack. Likewise increased 1 by 1 value. Now top is pointing B. Then I am going to add C. At the time top value is increased by 1. So 2. Stack of 2 pointing C. Now top is indicating C. Then again add to the one more item to the stack. Now item D is add to the stack. Then top value is also increased by 1. Now top is pointing D. Then I am going to add the another data item E. Now pointing the top values T. If the condition is check, top value is equal to 4 greater than or equal to 4. Condition is true. Then call stack is full. 4 greater than or equal to 4. Condition is true. True means then call stack full. So stack is full. Here no space. We can't add one more items. So stack is full. Likewise, we are going to do the add operations, that is stack of add or push operations. This is the algorithm for adding item onto the stack. Next one is pop operation. Pop means delete operations. Okay. Here algorithm is delete of item comma stack comma top. The condition is if top less than or equal to 0, then call stack is empty. If the condition is true means stack is empty. Otherwise stack of top, what pointing top value, that item going to be removed from the stack. Then top values decreased by 1. Top minus 1, that is pointing the top value, and the delete operations. Here last example is push operation, that is up to in stack last element is E. Now I am going to perform the pop operation. Okay. Now the top value is 4. 4 less than or equal to 0. Now the condition is false. So stack of top. Stack of top means what? Stack of 4. What item? That is stack of 4 pointing E. Then top values decreased by 1. Here now top pointing E. That means E going to be deleted. Likewise, next, now pointing top values 3, because top tends to top minus 1. Okay, 4 minus 1 going to, that is now top values 3. Then check the condition, 3 less than or equal to 0. Again condition is false. Then stack of top, that is stack of 3 pointing D, that item going to be removed. Top values decreased by 1. So 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Now top pointing 2. Likewise, we will be going to delete one by one data items from the stack. This is the pop operation. This is the algorithm for deleting element from the stack. Differences in push operation, top values increased by 1. In pop operation, top values decreased by 1. Thank you.